Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Dakota Bird with Blackbird Rods in Shelley, Idaho, and this is a custom hood. So to really round out the build, we decided to take 2.5 inches out of the front of that hood and cut a wedge all the way out around the sides. Couldn't just leave it at that. There's nothing else that really goes on this hood. There's a trim piece on the front, but we may or may not use that, undecided. So what we are doing is cut 2 holes, one in each side, and that is for our air intake system for that Coyote. So it's going to be a dual air intake with custom trim. So for that trim, all we did was use 1-inch thick wall tubing and cut it, shape it, weld it, cut it, shape it, weld it, file it, and so on. Keep going until it's perfect. And we send it off to get chromed. And that's how you make custom trim. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe for a lot more of this.